In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google Calendar from the Google Play Store. If you've ever wanted to efficiently manage your schedule and ensure that you never miss an important event, Google Calendar is an excellent tool to help you stay organized. First things first, make sure your device is powered on and connected to the internet. Once you're all set, locate the Google Play Store app on your device. Typically, this app can be found right on your home screen or within your list of apps. It's easily recognizable by its colorful triangular icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open the store. Once you're inside the Google Play Store, direct your attention to the search bar at the very top of the screen. This is your gateway to finding any app you need. Tap on the search bar to activate it and then type in Google Calendar. As you type, you'll notice that suggestions may start to pop up. You should see Google Calendar there, but just continue typing to ensure accuracy. After entering Google Calendar, hit the search button, often represented by a magnifying glass icon, to see your search results. What you're looking for is the official Google Calendar app by Google LLC. It should usually be one of the first results you see. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct one. You'll know it's the official app when you see Google LLC accompanying the app's name. Now, when you've found it, tap on the app's name to open the detailed app page. Here you'll see some useful information like screenshots, user reviews, and a description that provides more insights into what the app offers. This is always a good step to ensure that the app meets your expectations. Next, you'll notice the install button prominently displayed. Go ahead and tap on it, triggering the download and installation process. This may take a few moments, so it's the perfect time to grab a cup of tea or stretch your legs. The app will automatically handle the installation after downloading. Once the installation is complete, you'll likely see an open button where the install button was previously. Tap this to launch your newly installed Google Calendar app for the first time. The app is designed to seamlessly synchronize with the Google account that's already set up on your device. This means all your events and reminders should start to populate automatically. No further setup is required on your part. Now you're all set up and ready to explore the conveniences of keeping your schedule organized. Google Calendar is a fantastic tool that keeps your life structured, helping you to manage tasks and events with ease. I hope this guide has been helpful and you can now enjoy the benefits of having your schedule right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a wonderfully organized day ahead.